So we're going to do a review of this stuff I got from TEMU. Magic Cleaner Gel. Clean the dead corners, environmentally friendly. Multi-scene available, whatever that means. So you're supposed to be able to do it on your car, and if you look, my car is really gross. So we're going to try it on my car. This is what it looks like. It's this squishy gel stuff. So let's see what it does. Okay, there's that little corner right there that's gross. Look at that. It's just getting in there. Getting all that stuff stuck in those little grooves. Well, not as well as I would like, but it picks it up some. Okay, that's gross down there. I don't know. I need a brush for that. That's pretty gross. It's like spilled Coke and stuff. I didn't, or tea or whatever, I didn't clean up for forever. Well, it's not working very good on the really gross stuff. Let's try it up here on my dash. It's not really working that great on there either. How about on the steering wheel? No, I don't think it's really working like I was hoping it would. It's just doing a little bit, but not as much as I would like. I think I need to get a scrub brush. See, that's right there where the change goes is really gross. That's getting better. I mean, it's still kind of gross, but not as gross as it was. Let's take this change out of here. See what it does in here. I think it's like a one-use thing, because once it's gross, what do you do with it, you know? I doubt if it rinses off. Okay, let's try this other change thing. Money is so dirty. Okay, there's that. There's the before. It's better. I'd say if you don't let your car get as gross as I let mine get, it'll probably work better. I let mine get disgusting, so it's not working that good. But if you stayed on top of it, I think it would work pretty good. But I let my car get too gross, and it's more than it can handle. But it does look better still. Okay, let's try this one here. Oh, it's got money in it too. Put the money over here in this little change doolobby. There's a piece of sugar, sweet and low, sugar, Splenda, whatever it is, a Splenda paper. This is pretty gross too. Let's see how it does on this. After I get the change out, of course. That penny is stuck. That's how gross it is. Okay. It's embarrassing admitting how disgusting my car is. Well, that didn't get very clean. So, the verdict's kind of out on this. I think if your car wasn't as gross as my car is, it would work pretty good. You can tell which channels I listen to. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These two are totally clean. These 3 or 4 are dirty. Or worn down or whatever. Okay. Well, I don't know. It did get a lot. Look how gross it is. So, it was $1 something. So I guess it was not terrible. Dusty, and then we got rain. And so then it was all mud splattered. So went to the car wash, vacuumed. See, it's all vacuumed clean down there. And then got the outside wash, so I wanted to do the inside, but this didn't work very good. But that's my fault for letting it get so disgusting. Alrighty, embarrassing video number 1.